Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to enable 2.0 Siri on iPhone in iOS 18. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution number 1. Turn on Apple Intelligence. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. On the Siri page, tap on Language. Select your English United States. Go back Siri page. Turn on Apple Intelligence. Solution number 2. Check your software update. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on General. On the General page, tap Software Update. Software update is available. Tap Download and install to upgrade the iOS. Thanks for watching this video.